Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mesh System, Xiaomi Mesh System AX3000, and now I'm gonna show you how to perform hard reset by hard reset button on this device. So, firstly, you need to disconnect the Internet cable from both devices. Then, here under the power cable, you will see reset button. You need to use pin to reset this. So insert pin to this hole and then see on LED light and just press and hold reset button. Press and hold reset button using the pin. Press and hold and wait until this lamp will disable, then release the pin and make the same actions in the second mesh system. So press and hold and wait until white light will disable. Firstly it will red and great. Now your device, your Xiaomi Mesh system was successfully restored to default factory settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.